this morning. Hi, welcome back to a brand new video. As you guys saw, I made myself a little Starbucks vanilla latte at home. We got the hazelnut cream cold foam this time from HEB, and I really like it. It's better than the Italian one in my opinion, but my favorite is hazelnut. I love hazelnut. So cheers for coffee. This is usually like my breakfast. Like, this keeps me full for a few hours and keeps me awake. And I'm not really like a coffee person, but you know, every now and then I do crave a little latte. You guys know I love my chai. So much more affordable to buy it in store than going to Starbucks. So that's what we've been doing lately. Literally just rolled out of bed. Having an early morning today because I'm going to help my mom again at her new house. Her furniture is coming today. So her couch is coming, her dining set is coming, and her coffee table is coming. And they're saying they're going to be there between 9:30 to 12:30. So we're going to head out at 9 just in case they do come at 9:30. I'm just going to be there for a few hours, mop the floors, tidy up some more. She's super excited. Things are slowly, you know, coming together. But you guys, a package arrived yesterday, and I know I might have a slight problem. I'll just give you a little sneaky peeky. Another hydrojug. Do not judge me. I don't want to hear it. They released their anthropologie line, and I just couldn't help myself. I couldn't resist. They've been just dropping new designs and everything left and right, and they're so pretty, they're so good, and I really like this one. This one's great for summer. There's one coming out actually as I'm filming this a week from now, and it's like pastel-y spring colors with floral print. I'm gonna need to have the urge to not buy it, but I don't know what to tell you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm just so happy for them. Like, they're doing so well. They're hands down my favorite brand for tumblers, and they're just so good. Okay, hello.
I am literally obsessed.
I really hate that term. Literally obsessed. Like, shut up. But no, for real, this is just so pretty. Look at the strawberries. And the red handle and lid and bottom. Like, you guys know, purple is my favorite color, but the second favorite color is red. Ah, I cannot wait. And it's a 40 ounce. Okay, I just cannot wait to use this. Oh my god. I have 6 tumblers now, 4 of which is from Hydrojug. I think Christine has like 11 or 12 now. I don't want to beat her. I don't want to beat her. I cannot get over it. Also, Brooke is back in town. Well, she should be literally in town today as I'm filming this video. And I'm just looking forward to seeing her and, you know, going to her place, laying out at the pool in the summertime with this. All right, I'm done talking about it. It's so good. Also, a huge shout out to Lucini for hooking me up, giving me a discount, and luckily we placed an order the day that they like announced the news, because I looked online and these aren't available for the next 2 months. So early bird gets the worm. At my mom's house, just removing the stickers from all these soap, yeah, these little sets for the restroom, where you put your toothbrush holder, your soaps, your Q-tips, cotton balls. Removing these stickers, they're annoying. My mom likes this one, but they didn't have a set. So that's okay. Oh, this was pretty. That's for your restroom? It's like a rose gold, pinkish brown. I'm not sure if you guys can pick it up on camera, but it's really pretty. Ooh, flowers. Yeah. Very cute set. This set will go into Eric's room. Oh, so many.
Muốn đi vô online mua cái này
Here's her little setup. I just left it here. I don't know how she wants it. And she's going to change out the new towels. She's going to go with like a more neutral tone in here. The guys are here to bring in the furniture. It's currently 10:30. Couch is already here. They're setting up the dining table. Exciting. While they're bringing in the furniture, I'm gonna go ahead and put this shower curtain together. So this is the bedroom with the bathroom inside. So whenever Eric does come to visit, this will be his room. I don't know about you guys, but I love unpacking and putting things together. Organizational stuff. This relaxes me when I do these things. Just come off already. All right. Okay. Now, the question is, how high should we put it? I guess we'll find out. Okie doke. Here's the shower curtain. Very pretty. Calvin Klein. Very neutral. Love that. Okay. Be careful, it's slippery on the tub. I almost fell. Turn right. Turn right. Turn this way. Đẹp quá, cái này đẹp cho phòng Eric. Cái black nó đẹp hơn. Yeah, pop of color. Busted a sweat a little bit, you guys. Oh, it looks nice. With the cream rug. Looks good. Here is the furniture. Little couch for the living room. Coffee table. And then her dining set. It's very nice. I like how this bench, it matches the color of the couches. It looks good. All right, I think we're going to start working on the floors, mopping and cleaning because everybody was like walking in with their outdoor shoes and stuff like that. That's the next task. Okay, swept and mopped the whole house. And one thing I like about this set, I didn't know if there's storage. I didn't know there was storage down here. That's cool.
Actually, this set nó không có come với cái này.
This set doesn't come with this?
Cái bên của nó.
Oh, it comes with a different bench that has the same top.
Same top.
She ordered a different bench.
Mình muốn cái này.
Oh, that's good. It matches really well. Took a little 5-minute break. We're gonna go ahead and put the shower curtains up in the guest hall or in the guest bathroom. She's going for like a green vibe. This little green set, towels, rugs, extra green rugs right here. And here are the shower curtains. I didn't realize there was this huge linen shelf in the back of the door because I've never closed it. It's tucked away back here. I really like it. So much storage space. But let's go ahead and put this shower curtain up. Here it is. It's very springy. Has flowers, dragonflies. It looks good. Are you happy with this one?
Yeah. Bằng what? Lưu.
Oh, Grandma picked it out. Shout out to Grandma. All right, let's keep it open. Testing out the couch. It's pretty comfy. She just needs some pillows on here. It is a little after 12. Much needed break. We're hungry, so we're gonna figure out what's in the area and grab lunch. But so far, nice couch. My mom did good. You know, when you see it through the photos or online, you just can't tell if it's good or not. But in person, it's really well. And then her coffee table has a bunch of storage as well. And this goes all the way. You can open it from this side or that side. So that's why. Here too. Hey, I am by myself now. My mom stepped out to go get some more paint at Home Depot, and I placed an order My mom and her boyfriend are craving chicken. There's really not much restaurants around this area, so Wingstop is down the street. So I placed a Wingstop order. We did the 30 classic crew pack. So 30 bone-in wings. I'm super excited actually because I haven't had Wingstop in 4 whole months. And I was trying to hold off until like June or July to get Wingstop, but you know, we're almost there. 4 months hiatus. We did 10 mango habanero, 10 Louisiana rub, and 10 hot honey. My mom doesn't like the lemon pepper because it's just too salty for her, so we didn't get that. But I'm super excited. Gonna head out in 15 minutes to pick it up. This looks amazing. They definitely gave us a lot more than 30 because this is the Louisiana rub, and I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 wings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So just a little bit more of this, but you guys, here's lunch. Ready to eat. Somebody have a good walk? Yes. It's been a few hours later after I walked Menace. I literally just took a body rinse, laid in bed, relaxed for a little bit, and then my mom came back home and was like, do you want to go get some dinner? So we went to go get dinner at this Vietnamese restaurant, one of her favorite places that she goes to a lot. And then I just felt dirty being out again, so I took a nice shower again, washed my hair this time, much needed. We're coming into that season where I'm sweating a lot and I need to take 2 showers a day. We're getting there. I'm doing a weekly face mask. Going to use this Milk Essence mask sheet. I think this is the one that Christine gave me a while back, and I'm finally using it today. Let's go. Wait, which way is this one? Is it this way? Okay, I gotta turn around this way. Tell me I look pretty. Tell me I look pretty. Tell me. Speaking of like things just keep happening, it's like one thing after another. You guys know how our fridge was broken a couple of weeks ago. Now the washer is broken. It keeps getting stuck on the spin cycle. And I've done it like 6 times to get rid of it, and it's still not working. So hopefully my mom is able to just call one of the repair guys from Samsung and come sometime this week to fix it. Maybe like do a reset. I don't know what's going on with it. We also tried draining it out, and some water came out, but I don't know why it's still stuck on it. It's annoying. And we have laundry piled up, but it's not too crazy at the moment. But then, you know, it's just another thing that's making me feel overwhelmed, but we'll get that sorted out. First world problems, you know what I'm saying? Just remove the face mask. One of the best feelings ever to remove the face mask, and you can just feel all that product soaking into your skin. It's like taking off your bra after a long day, you know, and just letting your boobies hang in and breathe. That's how it feels like when you take off a face mask. But I need to start applying Vaseline on my heels again. I was really good at it for like a whole month last year, and I kind of fell off the wagon. Here's my Vaseline. My heels are so crusty and dry. I got my socks. These are the socks I only wear at night. I want my heels to be nice and smooth. It's spring season, you guys. Gotta let the dogs out, and I can't let the dogs out looking like this. Honestly, just 1 week of applying Vaseline and wearing socks overnight, night and day. Oh, I also went to Ulta yesterday. I did a quick stop there before I went to my mom's house. I only got 4 things. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got. As you guys saw in my last vlog, if you guys watched, I got their NYX Liquid IV Hydrating Gloss Stain, and I love it so much that I got another one. And this one is in Hydra Honey. It's like a cool tone nude, and it matches my natural lip shade so well. A little bit darker, a little bit more pigmented, obviously, but I really like it. And then I also got the e.l.f.'s Poreless Face Primer, smooth skin and creates a semi-matte finish. I got the travel size just to try it out and see if it's any good. I know, again, spring, summertime, I'm an oily girl. I need anything to keep myself matte during the hot weather. I've been using their blemish control face primer. This is my second time purchasing this. It's really good and I'm almost out. That's why I needed to get a restock on face primer. Then I just got another Good Molecules discoloration correcting serum because I have been out of liquid eyeliner for the past, I don't know, I would say 6 months. The holy grail of liquid eyeliners, hands down the best, is the L'Oreal's Linear Liquid Intense eyeliner. And I think as of recently, I don't know when, but they don't sell it anymore in stores, which makes me so sad. It breaks my heart because that is like the best liquid eyeliner. I've tried a good amount of liquid eyeliners and nothing compares to that one. And I think you can like still buy it on Amazon or at Walmart online. I don't know. I didn't really check Walmart. I checked Target. I checked Ulta. They don't have it anymore in stores where, you know, I used to be able to buy it there. Okay, so I picked up the L'Oreal's Infallible Grip Liquid Eyeliner Precision Felt Tip in black. Looks like this. And I did swatch the felt tip on my hand yesterday, and it's pretty much similar to the Linear Liquid Intense eyeliner. So this seems really promising. I'm gonna try it out this week when I go to work, apply it on and see how it is. But it's just, I don't know, something about the OG. I've been using it for 15 years, you know, like why get rid of it now? If I don't like this, I can always try to find the OG online, like I said, Amazon. But anyways, I am yapping. So sorry. Also, I am so tired. I think I'm going to end this vlog here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.